Come Faridpur Virtual School, organized by Honorable DC Sir, Mr. Otul Sarkar. Thanks to Sir. I am Madhav Chandra Das, Assistant Headmaster, Ishan Girls High School, Faridpur. Lesson Introduction. Class 7, Subject English First Paper, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Firstly, look at the picture and ask and answer these questions. In the slide, we see a picture of woman. Dear student, do you know who is this woman? Yes, you know, I think. Who is the woman? Number 1. Number 2, what do you know about her? Yes, you are right. This woman is Begum Rokeya. She was a famous writer and social worker. She was the pioneer of Muslim women's renaissance. Social worker. She is social worker. So, dear students, our today's lesson is, yes, Begum Rokeya. Learning outcome of this lesson. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to talk about a great woman, read and understand text, ask and answer questions, infer meaning from the context. Let us go keywords. Undivided, its adjective. What do you mean undivided? Not separated into parts or pieces, oblique, complete or total. We want a united and undivided land. Society. Society is a noun and means many people live in a village or part of village is called society. Society means group, community, association. Landlord. Landlord is a noun. This person is a landlord. In the picture, this person is landlord. Landlord means, yes, master. Landlord means master oblique landowner. Land owner. Yes, land owner. In the picture, there is a couple, marry. Marry is a verb. Means, marry means, yes, wed, join, unify. Cooperative. Cooperative is adjective. Cooperative in the picture. Cooperative is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons picture is accumulated. Cooperate means, yes, collaborative, united, mutual assistant. Okay, the student, I think you understand the word meaning. Encourage is verb. Encourage is verb. Encourage is verb and means give support, inspire, motivate. Give support, inspire, motivate. Communication is a noun, means exchange of information oblique transmission. Now read the text silently. Loud reading and pronunciation. It's the Kim Games, opportunity, born, writer, learn, education. Dear student, now you open your textbook for class 7 English for today. And read about Begum Rokeya. Begum Rokeya was a famous writer and a social worker. She lived in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the society. So, she fought for their cause throughout her life. Begum Rokeya was born in a village called Pairaband, Rangpur in 1880. Her father, Johiruddin Muhammad Abu Ali Haidar Saber, was an educated landlord. Rokeya was married to Khan Bahadur Shakwat Hussain in 1896. Her husband was the deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district in the Indian state of Bihar. He was very cooperative and always encouraged Rokeya to go on with her activities. Many upper class Muslims of Bengal at that time learned Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communication. But Rokeya had great love for her mother tongue. she learned Bangla and English from her eldest brother Ibrahim. Okay, dear student, we read the text carefully. From this text, we know birthplace of Rokeya Begum. Yes, we know birthplace of Rokeya Begum. Women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have. Bhagalpur district is Rokeya's birthplace. So dear student, now you do individual work. From the slide, number 1, write the correct answer on the question paper. Number A, Begum Rokeya fought for 1. Democracy, independent, women's right and communism. The correct answer is women rights. Begum Rokeya was born in Bhagalpur, Rangpur, Bihar, Bangladesh. Bhagalpur. Shakwat Hossain worked in Pairaband, Bhagalpur, Rangpur, Bihar. Bhagalpur. Bhagalpur is a district in Bangladesh, West Bengal, Bihar, Rangpur. Now Bangladesh, previously Bihar. Bangladesh, correct answer, Bangladesh. Abu Ali Haidar was an honest man, deputy magistrate, rich, Shakwat Hossain's father. Abu Ali Haidar was an deputy magistrate. Correct answer number 3, women's rights. 2, Rangpur. C, correct answer is 2, Bhagalpur. D, correct answer is Bihar, previously Bihar. The Bhagalpur is a district in Bihar. And E, correct answer is 3, rich. Complete the flowing chart with information from the text. Okay, dear student, we follow the slide carefully. Begum Rokeya occupation, born in, married in, family, language. Complete the flowing chart with information from the text. Writer and social worker, Pairaband, Rangpur in 1886, 1896, rich Muslim, Bangla. তাহলে বেগম রোকেয়া occupation, writer and social worker. In this box we write writer and social worker, born in Rangpur in 1880, married in rich Muslim, married in 1896, family rich Muslim, language Bangla. Answer the following questions. Who was Begum Rokeya? What was Begum Rokeya's strong belief about women? Number 3. What was Begum Rokeya's husband profession? Now I give you a homework. Write a short note about Begum Rokeya's life. Write a short note about Begum Rokeya's life. So dear students, see you again. Thank you and stay home. Okay, bye.